Today I reveal a secret to you how to be happy in your life. This is the one secret. I think if you apply this secret in your life up to some mark, you may be relaxed or happy in your life. So listen very carefully. Look, if you are a nature lover, I mean you spend daily few hours or few minutes how much you have in your daily routine. If you spend that precious time in nature, I mean in plants, near river, near sea, in jungles, so in skies, by watching the sun rising and the sun setting. So all these things keep you interact with the nature and very positive vibes instill your mind and instill in your body that has very positive and outstanding effect over all health. Apart from today, cause it's your duty, not any other person's duty, to help, be helpful for you, not for any other. Be happy, relaxed. I know our life are tense and we go through different times of our day, anger, anxiety, tension, but we can try to decrease. Is up to you, and you can try your best to that. No anyone will come save you by the benefits, the benefits of the nature which are free and in abundance. Thank you.